Hello guys, this is my day 31 of self-improvement. Today I have, I'm not going to discuss any academics, rather I'm going to discuss about my day. Today I've got two shocking news. First is my CA Foundation exam result. Second is my CA semester exam result. In CA exam, I, I scored a good marks I scored 310 marks out of 400. And but the worst part is I expected to achieve good marks in law because I have prepared for it well. I attempted for 100 marks. Uh, I have taken 5 extra sheets of 4 pages. That is 20 pages extra, and uh, and I have written 50 pages. In, in every question, I have also mentioned the section number and also underlined that. But, but still, I have received only 54 marks in business law in CA exam. So it is very disappointing for me. I understood that the level of preparation which I have done for this exam is not enough to achieve that marks which I am expecting. Uh, for law, I have to prepare more. I have to go through the various answer sheet how the marking is given by the teacher. One reason for my marks reduction is uh, I think so because I have explained the answer in very elaborated way. So I think this is the demerit of my answer writing, and I have to work on my handwriting also because my handwriting was too bad in the exam paper. So due to these two reasons, I think uh, my paper is not good in law, and also I have done some mistakes uh, in understanding or interpreting the solution. And obviously, some questions are wrong in it. Some answers that I have written in is wrong. That's why I have got such a less marks. And after all, in CA, I have achieved what I am expecting. In accounts, I have got 74, which is expected for me, and in maths it's 88, and in eco it's 94. So these three subjects are not so problematical. In accounts also, I have done some mistakes, and I have shortage of time in accounts. So I have done. So I have to improve accounts also because after seeing the CA Foundation and semester exams, I came to the conclusion that my numerical solving ability is deteriorating slowly. Previously, I am able to solve numericals every day, for 5 to 6 hours without any uh, break. But now, my mind is not so focused on solving numericals for 2 to 3 hours. So I have to work on my numericals, how to solve that in a continuous basis. And then moving to my semester result, which is more disappointing than CA, and in that also uh, I have scored bad in accounts and law. So in law I have got 54 out of 70, or we can say 76 out of 100 in a law. And it is disappointing because in semester exam also I have written out in a very elaborated way by writing every section number to every question, and for 4 6 marks question I have extended the answer to 2 pages. And in semester also I have taken 2 answer sheets extra. So in spite of that, I scored very less in law as compared to my expectation that I have prepared for. I'm thinking that I can easily achieve like 80 or 90s, 80 between 80 to 90 in in law, but rather I am able to score very less in law. So I have to improve my law. I have to analyze the answer sheet, in what place I'm making mistakes, and what I have to improve in that. Moving to accounts in a semester, uh, it's a very problematic. In accounts, I have scored 70s or something. In a final semester exam, I have scored 51 out of 70. So this is a very bad thing that my numerical solving ability is deteriorating, especially in accounts. So I have to give more focus on accounts in numericals rather than theory. And in theory also, I have not to. Uh, I have to give attention also to writing technique, how to write answer. I came to the conclusion that only by elaborating the answer I am not getting marks. So I have to write point wise. I should have to point wise to get the estimated marks. And in a rest subject in semester, I have scored more or less fine marks. Like in economics, it's 92, or in and in management, it's 96. So it is manageable. And in the last two subjects, that is business communication and Hindi. Hindi is little bit good. It's 49 out. It's 39 out of 50, and I don't expect more than that. But in Buka also I have to improve something. Like it's 30. It's in 30s. Sorry, it's in 40. 30 something. So in Buka also I have to improve uh, my performance, but especially by going through this exam and the results that I have got, I came to the conclusion that I have to focus on numericals, and also in law, in very much in law, that how to write the answer and how to represent the answer, because I think presentation is my problem. I have and also my my habit of elaborating the answer is also a trouble for me. So next time I supposed to I try to write answer in a very short or to the point way, and let's see how it scores. By the way, in college semester 1 I scored 8.7 SGPA, uh, and in CA it's 310 marks out of 400. So overall, by looking, it's fine, but by me, because of my expectations that I should achieve 9.4 in college, and I should in 320 above in foundation. Because in law I have prepared a very much, like uh, writing. I have made a separate copy of every section number, and by elaborating it in 2 or 3 lines only. So and revising it every day, and then also, and after that I have scored. I have got very less marks in law. So by analyzing the results, I can easily say that the effort that I have made is not enough to score a good marks in law. Especially, I'm now in inter, so I have to put more preference to obviously accounts and also law, because these two are very problematic for me, uh, and I have to give more efforts than what I am doing now to improve my performance. And I should have to eliminate some of my bad habits, which is also creating obstacle in my way. I will try to improve my performance, and I will try to study without break, because if it's a, if because I have developed the habit that after studying few time I should have to take break, otherwise my brain is stop uh, learning. Efficiency of brain is negligible after a few hours of study if the break is not uh, taken by me. This is a misconception. There is a no scientific proof. Rather, it's a proof that mind has no limit. If you study, if you can study 4 or 5 hours without taking any break with efficiency, 100% efficiency. But for that, you have to do practice of that, like practice of studying 2 to 3 hours without taking any break. So by doing this only, I will be able to improve my performance. And also, I have to decrease the level of dopamine that I am uh, consuming. So it's a very big obstacle for me to decrease the level of dopamine. So this is for today. This day is very uh, disappointing, as well as uh, I can say very good also, because I have understood my mistakes, in which things I am making the mistakes, and where I have to make improvement. And if today I am unable to take the steps to improve myself, then in future also I am not able to do anything. For achieving success in future, I have to suffer today. That's the key line which I have to understand. So this is for today. Thank you.